What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is an important day. We gotta take off all this old tarp and I got a new cover for the top. Let's see how it comes out. It's almost like a tarp, but it's not. It's like a very thick plastic. Most tarps, a good tarp is probably like 9 mil. That'd be a good one. 7 mils, okay. The higher the mil, the thicker the thickness of the material. And I think the one I got is 14 mil if I'm not mistaken. And it says it lasts up to 10 years. After I get it on and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and order a shade cloth to go above it for like $20–25. That way, I'm hoping the shade cloth will help it not get so beat up by the sun. And I'd rather replace the shade cloth every year or two for $25 instead of either a bunch of tarps or a whole new cover, which is not cheap if you have to do it every time you turn around. I think the first one lasted maybe 6 months, maybe, and then we probably got 6 months out of the tarps, mainly because it was winter time most of the 6 months, and then it just was all ripped up. Let me show you. Whoa! Yeah, so that's no good. So yeah, go ahead and take this off, and then we will get out the new. This is just nice because usually we kept it folded up, so this is still good. But I'm gonna take it down for now, I think. And it is ripping over there, but it does help some of the water not get in here if it's raining east, I guess. Alright, let me get to it. There she is. Alright, got it up, on, pretty easy. Plus, I had a bunch of these from the original cover, so I just keep using these and zip ties sometimes if need be. Bungee cords, straps, whatever. But it looks pretty good. I like it. Obviously it's clear and white. Has the strands running through it just to keep it together better for longer. So it looks pretty good. I do like it. I mean, for the price, I think this is 16 by 20 because I wanted to slope down a little bit on the sides. So it's 16 by 20, and I want to say, I don't know, it was under 90 bucks. The biggest one I had in the cart was 90 bucks. It was 90, then there's one for 80 and one for 70. All of which would have worked for this, that were all 20 feet long. It just depends on if you wanted what width. And then one of them was 24 foot long, and I would have had some extra, but I didn't want no extra. You want to see what I was working with? Yeah. They don't fuck with me, they're scared of me. Watch, 5 minutes later I'll get bit. But it came out nice. Obviously I have my straps holding the whole canopy down. We learned from that mistake the first time. And then for now I do have some of these just pulling it tight. It's not real tight, but just holding it. That way if too much water gets on there, it doesn't sag it in one spot. So that should work for now. And of course it's starting to get windy and looks like we might get some rain, so we'll be able to test it out. But I do like it. It is nice. I got this on Amazon, so I'll put a link down in the description below for this so you can just look at it. They say it should last 10 years. I think that's a little far-fetched, especially how brutal the sun is, how hot it is, especially here in Florida. Between the heat and humidity, it takes its toll on damn near anything. So we'll see how long it lasts for. And I'm gonna put up a fence, a wooden fence along this side, so that'd be nice. And yeah, that's about it. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, so when I got this, I'm like, hey, you know what? It's gonna be a short video, but at least it'll be a video nevertheless. So was able to get this, and I haven't been working on the Mustang because I have the parts for it to do the injectors and the spark plugs. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna see if I need to get a kit for the one spark plug, because I think it might have took a shit. So we'll see. Now that I have a cover though, I can work on it. I didn't want to take the car apart with the way this cover was looking. I didn't want to have the injectors and spark plugs off and then get a torrential downpour monsoon like we get here in Florida. So got this on though, that's step one, and then I'll be able to do that. I'm gonna try to find a door cover for this back wall, but to try to find them with the peak in it is hard. I can find a 10-foot wide one that is flat and squared out, but nothing with a peak on it. So we'll have to wait and see how this bad boy holds up. Hopefully pretty good, I hope. Anyways, thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Like I said, I'm sorry it's been so long, just haven't had time, been busy. Son's been playing baseball, work a lot, you know, that kind of thing. Oh well, part of life. Thanks for watching though, I appreciate it. Till next time, peace. Look how dark it's getting out here. Yeah, it's a coming.